Hello, I'm Dani, a service coordinator at the Regional Center here in Sunnytown, California. Whether you're a brand new service coordinator or have years of experience, creating a new individual program plan or updating an existing one can sometimes feel overwhelming. That's why today, we'll help you understand the IPP guide for the people we support, what to expect, and how it benefits them. Let's check in on Service Coordinator Vinny Mancuso to see how this IPP guide helps him get ready for an upcoming IPP meeting.
Hey, Dani, what's up?
I have a few new people that just transitioned to adult services, and I think they are perfect for you.
Thank you. Stephen Cavalry.
Stephen is great. He loves sports.
Baseball. I got this. I can get him a paid internship over at the Sports Mart.
Maybe you should read this and meet Stephen first.
Whoa, what's this?
It's the IPP guide from DDS.
Believe you me, out of all the things I need, more paperwork ain't one of them.
Good, because this isn't more paperwork. This is better planning for the people we support.
Seriously? I'm like serving more than 60 people here. I don't think a checklist is gonna help.
Vinny, we've talked about this. A checklist is about things. We're talking about people. Person-centered thinking isn't about what you think. It's about how well you listen.
What? I listen? I'm a good listener. Well, I'm an okay listener. Okay, give me the paperwork.
The IPP guide that the family gets is pretty well organized. It's broken down into 3 sections. Pre-planning.
Let me guess. That's where you pre-plan for the meeting?
Then there's the meeting itself. And finally, the ongoing updates.
I get it. I just don't understand how filling out paperwork is going to lead to better lives.
You're right.
Thank you.
And that's exactly why you need to fill out your own IPP workbook.
Wait, what?
Tomorrow, 1 p.m., conference room.
Come on.
Thank you, Vinny. I really appreciate your taking the time to fully understand the planning process. I look forward to our IPP meeting.
Mamma mia.
Hello, Mr. Mancuso. I'm Dani. I will be your service coordinator today.
Okay, seriously?
Have a seat. Did you fill out the workbook yourself or with your circle of support?
Actually, Robin helped me.
Tell me about Robin. Are they part of your planning team?
Robin is my planning team.
I get that. So, where should we start?
I don't know. How about housing?
Okay, so the Regional Center has an array of options we support. You can live with people with disabilities, people without disabilities, or even by yourself. What works best for you?
Well, I live with Robin and our dog Bruce. So, what would work best for me is to stay living with Robin and our dog Bruce.
Let's write that down. I want to continue to live with my partner and our dog. What do you like about your living situation?
The rent's good, but I wish our kitchen was bigger. You know what I mean?
Oh, is it hard to get around your kitchen? Is it an accessibility issue?
No, I just need more counter space for my cakes to cool. As it is now, I have to set them on the oven, and the heat just dries them out.
Oh, you bake?
Yeah, my Nonna taught me when I was a kid. I don't know. The kitchen has always been like a safe place for me. Nonna taught me a lot of things in life, but she never let me near the frosting. So in other words, my cakes taste good, but they're not the prettiest things you've ever seen. Unlike my hair, cake decorating isn't passed down through genetics.
Have you ever thought about taking a cake decorating class?
Yeah, I have. There's one down at the community center. Wait a second.
Yes?
Did you just figure out a way to get me involved with the community by asking where I live?
Yes, Vinny. Not only that, I just learned that you like to bake. The kitchen is a place where you feel most like yourself, and you pride yourself on inheriting your grandmother's hair. This workbook isn't just designed to help the user think about what they really want. It also helps us learn more about them, so we can ask the deeper questions and provide the support they need.
Whoa, I don't say this often, but I was wrong. This is genius.
Where are you going?
I gotta go get ready for the IPP meeting with Steven. I wanna make sure he and his circle of support have time to fill this out. You got me today, Dani. And I respect you for it. Hey, Savannah, have you seen the new IPP guide? It's gonna blow your mind.
Well, Vinny discovered that the IPP guide includes a workbook for the people we support and is designed to ask questions, dig deep, and discover their needs and goals. Remember, person-centered planning isn't about creating better paperwork. It's about helping to create better lives.